Supervisors will receive an email when one of their employees has entered any time on a timesheet in the TRS system that requires supervisor approval. Supervisors will also receive another email when one of their employees has officially submitted their timesheet. After a supervisor receives an email stating that a timesheet has been submitted by an employee for review, they will need to click the TRS link found in the email and then log in with their ETSU username and password. Once logged in, supervisors will see a My Team link in the toolbar at the top of the web page. Click on the My Team link to proceed. You will then see any of the following: messages indicating that there are time entries and timesheets to review, future time entries, past time entries, add time entry for employee, timesheets, and My Team. Click on the Timesheets link to begin reviewing the timesheet that has been submitted to you. This will show the entries that have been approved and those that are not yet approved on each timesheet. All individual entries must be approved before the timesheet can be fully approved. Click on the Future Time Entries link to see if there are entries that need to be approved. Any entries that need to be approved display a status of Needs Approval. Click either the Approve, Deny, or Delete button, and comments may also be entered into the comment box as necessary. In this demonstration, this entry will be denied as the supervisor is requiring the employee to report to work on that date. A confirmation box appears asking you to confirm the denial. Click the Yes button to deny the entry. An information box will appear stating that the entry was denied. Simply click the X icon in the upper right to close the box. The status will show that it still needs approval, and it will show that it was denied, who denied it, and the date it was denied. Note, if the entries or the timesheet is denied or deleted, the employee will receive an email so they can make any changes and resubmit. You may also click on the Past Time Entries link to see if there are any entries that need to be approved. As demonstrated previously, simply click the Approve, Deny, or Delete button and provide comments in the comment box as necessary. The status will now display Approved. After all entries have been approved, click on the Timesheets link to approve the timesheet. Simply approve or deny the timesheet. In this demonstration, the current employee's timesheet entry for June 29, 2020 was denied by the supervisor, and the supervisor will now need to deny the entire timesheet since it needs to be corrected by the employee. After clicking the Deny button, click the Yes button to deny the timesheet. The status field displays that the timesheet was denied, and the Comments field provides justification. In the event that an employee is unable to enter data into their timesheet and submit it through the TRS system, their time can be entered by their supervisor, as well as their supervisor's supervisor, or even their timekeeper. To enter time for another employee, click the Add Time Entry for Employee link in the menu. Then click the drop-down box to select the employee's name and title. Click on the calendar icon to select both the start date and the end date. Note, do not select weekends and be sure to enter each week separately. You will be required to select the time report code from the drop-down menu. Enter the number of hours and enter a comment in the comment box if necessary. Once all relevant information has been provided, click the Add Time Entry button. The confirmation box will appear stating that the timesheet will be automatically approved. Click the Yes button to confirm submission and the automatic approval. Then you will need to click the My Team link to see your employees. Their information will be listed, including a link to any other employees they are responsible for managing. Click the Yes View Team link to go to another employee's team. Click on the Team link labeled with the employee's name to see the employee's list of employees and their information. Time entries for another employee's team can also be added by clicking on the Add Time Entry for Employee link in the menu. Click the Back to My Team button to return to your team. When you are finished with the process of reviewing timesheets for approval, please be sure to click the Log Out link in the upper right.